let me just tell you something about this. Okay? Kilala nyo ba si Tarantadong Calvo? Tarantadong Calvo is an artist, a Filipino artist who is actually fighting for what's right. You know? He's like the modern day Jose Rizal, like one of the artists. Kasi most of the artists here in the Philippines are fighting for what's right. Okay? So, it just saddens me na hinahaha yung kalagayan niya ngayon. Okay? Kevin Tarantadong Calvo just got rushed to the hospital. He is diagnosed with a TIA. It's like a mini stroke. Yung sabi pa ng iba, mini stroke. That doesn't mean na porke pinaglalaban niya kung ano yung dapat na deserve natin, ibabash nyo na siya. Kasi, binabash rin niya yung mga dutae, tsaka yung mga baby M's. Alam mo yun? Kayo, wala kayong ginagawa para makapag-contribute to have change in this country. So, the audacity to make fun of someone who actually is doing something, who is actually speaking up, who's actually using his talent, his skills, his time, his effort, and everything, his soul, his body, and all, just to contribute something for this country. The audacity para maghaha kayo. The audacity para sabihin nyo na, matuloy na sana. Well, fuck you. You're not even doing anything. At least he's doing something. You know that. The least you can do, if you actually want change in this country, it starts with you. It starts with you. If you don't have any money to donate, then shut the fuck up. If you don't like him, if you don't like this person, then shut the fuck up. At least it's doing something. You never did anything. You never did anything. All you did was like patronize, maging panatiko sa mga tamulmol na nasa gobyerno, na dapat pinagsisilbihan tayo. Yun lang yung ginagawa nyo maging panatiko ng mga BBM, maging panatiko ng mga dutae. Alam mo yun? Yun lang yun. Ang bababaw ng mga utak nyo. At least, he is doing something. At least, he did something. Now, if something happens to him, he will be a hero. And you're nothing. I am so proud of people just like Tarantadong Calvo or Kevin, because they speak up their mind. They speak on what's right or wrong. Okay? And dito na tayo sa topic na kasi pinklawan kasi. Well, I admit we voted for Lenny. But that doesn't mean na kapag may ginawa si Lenny, ipagtatanggol namin kagaya ng ginagawa ninyo. Na kahit mali na, harap-harapan na kayong ginagawa, pinagmumukhang tanga, pinagtatanggol nyo pa rin. No. Kapag may gawing hindi maganda, either si Vico, si Lenny, kahit sino pa yan, may sasabihin kami at may maririnig kayo sa amin. Naiintindihan nyo. Iba kami sa inyo. Kasi kayo mga panatiko kayo. Yes. Now, let's remove that mindset na. Instead of being panatiko, be with the people, for the people. Di ba pwede makabayan na lang tayo, no? Kung nakikita natin na hindi nagiging maganda yung kalagayan ng bayan natin, yung bayan naman natin yung pagtanggol natin, hindi yung mga iniidolo nyo, makaidolo kayo eh. And, ito note lang, I actually idolized your Dutae. I idolized him before because he was so real. And he was just like Vice Ganda. Vice Ganda even interviewed Dutae. But you know what? People change. And I saw that there's war happening in Mindanao. The Mindanao got destroyed in his term. Tapos a lot of people got killed. Mga galamay lang ang namatay kung totoo man na mga drug related sila. Yung mga ulo, buhay pa rin. They just got rid of the people who's gonna be, the one that's gonna point out who really are the main characters, the main people behind all of the drug syndicates. Just, anyway, I'm talking about Kevin here. Okay, sorry. If you're not gonna support Kevin, then fine. If you support Kevin, thank you. Okay? Let's just stop making fun of people who actually speaks up. Who's actually has the guts to speak up for what's right. Because, especially if you're not even doing anything at all to help. You're not even speaking up. You're only speaking up for what? For people na iniidolo nyo. No. Speak up for what's right in the country, for our country, for your countrymen. That's what matters. And that's what Kevin's been doing. So he deserves better.